Entertainer Andre Sutherland, more popularly known as Popcaan, slapped with 5 charges related to Unruly Fest incident. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall artist Popcaan, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, was slapped with 5 charges on Thursday, January the 4th. Sutherland attended the Area 5 Police Headquarters in Kingston, where he was served with 5 summonses related to his behavior at the recent staging of his Unruly Fest in Yala St. Thomas between Friday, December 22 and Saturday, December 23rd. Police tried to put an abrupt end to the event as it was passing the allotted time that was given for the event. In the midst of the performance of dancehall recording artist Joshi, a police could be seen on stage trying to put an abrupt end to the event.
We can say one more thing about Uncle. Hold on, Uncle. Look here now. Uncle, watch you now. That's why St. Thomas can better. All the fight for the team what we do. We don't move up. We can't hold up. We're not ready. We're not violent. One, two, no. St. Thomas can better than them.
The popular Jamaican dancehall entertainer is charged with the following offenses: breach of the Noise Abatement Act, using abusive and calumnious language, using indecent language, and disorderly conduct. He is to appear in the St. Thomas Parish Court in Morant Bay on Wednesday, January the 10th to answer to the charges. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.